Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. This is Fayaz.
Kids, today we will be discussing about punctuations. There are various types of punctuations like comma, apostrophe, question mark, full stop, exclamation mark. Let us discuss one after the other, kids. Comma. We use comma when we want to express pause in our writing. We use comma to separate words or group of words in long sentences in order to make the meaning of the sentence clear to the reader. Let us now see the example sentences of the comma. Rohan, please come here. The teacher brought books, posters, crayons, and chalk to the class. Apostrophe. We use apostrophe to show possession of something belonging to somebody. Example sentences are: This is James' car. Here he is Kishore's friend. Let us now see full stop. A period or full stop goes at the end of the sentence. Typically a command or declarative sentence. When you are reading out loud, a period tells you when to stop. Example sentences of a period or a full stop are: I am extremely busy with my work. Chris is very strong. Let us now see exclamation mark. An exclamation mark could be used when someone is excited or surprised. Example sentences are: Wow, that's amazing. Hurry up, we are going to be late. Question mark. A question mark comes at the end of a sentence that asks a question. When we are reading a question, our voice will rise at the end of the question. Let us now see the examples. What time is it now? Are you going to the party tonight? It's quiz time, kids. Please do give the answers in the comments section. What goes at the end of the sentence? I love that cute puppy. Second question. What goes at the end of this sentence? Can I have the crayon?
Thank you for watching my video. Please do like the video, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.